ಸಲಹೆ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒತ್ತಡ ಹಾಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸೋಂಥ ಪದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶುಡ್.
Hello friends, learn today about should. It is also a modal verb. Should is used to give advice and to put gentle pressure on somebody to do action or not to do action, and to say necessity of the action. We say in Kannada necessity of the action like this. ನಾನು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಪಾತ್ರೆ ತೊಳೆಯಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ನೆಂಟರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಕಸ ಗುಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಶುಡ್. ಇವುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಶುಡ್ಡನ್ನ ಬಳಸಿ ಹೇಳೋಂಥದ್ದು. ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಿ ಸೇ ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಕಮ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ನೌ ಹೌ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಯರ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಎನಿ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ನೇಮ್. ದೆನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಯರ್ should. Then use a present verb according to action. Then use a object. For example, you should practice English daily to learn soon. Means ನೀವು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬೇಗ ಕಲಿಯಲು. should means here ಬೇಕು means ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಲಿಬೇಕು, ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, that is. Next example. See here, I am advising you. You should practice English daily to learn me. I am advising you. This is advice. I should take tablet today for cold because I have cold today. That's why I am saying necessity of the action. This is necessity. I should take tablet today. My children should go to school daily. You can say I put little pressure on my children. We should love our country. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸಬೇಕು. I should earn money. It is necessity. I should help people. It is also necessity.
I should prepare for IAS exam. I should advise my students. My brother should work in land. My mother should cook. I should use this optical daily. I should get my hair cut in this week.
I should drink hot water now because I have cold. And also I should meet a doctor today because of cold. I should use this mask while rubbing the board. Friends, now pause your TV and say necessity of your action. ಈಗ ಟಿ ವಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇವತ್ತು ಅಗತ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ.
ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸೋಂಥದ್ದು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಅಡ್ವೈಸನ್ನು ನೀಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಬಳಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್.
Negatives now. This is also used to give advice or to put gentle pressure or to say necessity of the action. First use your subject, then use your should. After that use your not to make negative sentence. Then use your present verb, then an object. For example, we should not pollute nature. Means ನಾವು ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಲಿನ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. should not means ಬಾರದು, ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. I should not neglect my future. You should not forget your mother tongue. I should not drink unboiled water because I have cold. Nobody should betray our country. Friends, see, there is little difference between this sentence and this one. In this sentence there is no not, because nobody, no is already negative word, so don't use your not again the sentence. It may be any tense or any time. Wherever you use nobody, no one, nothing, none, don't use again not in the sentence. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು nobody, nothing, no one, none ಅಂತ 4 ಪದಗಳ ಬಳಸ್ತೀರಾ, ಯಾವುದೇ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಯಾವುದೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ not ಅನ್ನು ಬಳಸಬೇಡಿ.
I should not smoke. I should not sleep in daytime. I should not waste my time in unproductive thinking. I should not watch TV at a steady time.
I should not use shampoo because I will get headache. And I should not eat bakery junk food. If I eat that, immediately I'll get cold and infection. Friends, now pause your TV and say what you should not do or what your family members should not do in English. Say many examples to your family members or to your friends and practice more. Friends, learn now yes or no question. It is used to ask necessity of the action. To ask necessity of the action. Now learn now positive mode. First use your should, then use your subject, then use your present verb, then an object, then a question mark. For example, should you brush your teeth daily?
Yes, I should.
Yes, he should. But should you brush your teeth daily? Should politicians stop corruption?
Yes, they should.
ರಾಜಕಾರಣಿಗಳು ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರವನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕಾ? What do you answer? Next question. Should you learn bad?
No, I should not.
Friends, no, he should not. Should you learn bad? Should you prepare for CET exam?
Yes, I should. Should you teach?
Yes, I should. Should you learn cooking?
No need.
No need. No need means agatya illa. Should you work?
Yes, I should. Should you do exercise daily?
Yes, I should. Should you smoke?
No, I should not. Should you play cricket?
No, I should not because I have many other works.
Should your children play?
Yes, they should play. Friends, now pause your TV and question your family members about their activities. Practice more. Now friends, learn yes or no question in negative mode. First use your should, then use your subject, then use your not to make negative yes or no question, then use your present verb, then object, then question mark. For example, should you not care your parents?
Yes, I should.
Friends, yes, he should. Should you not care your parents? Next question. Should we not develop our country?
Yes, we should.
Should the government not make plans?
Yes, it should.
Yes, it should.
Should you not teach your children?
Yes, I should. Should you not earn money?
Yes, I should.
Should you not take tablet today?
No. Should you not take tablet today?
Yes, I should take tablet. Nagaraj, should I give you money? Any money?
No, you should not. Should I read English daily?
Yes, you should read English daily to learn English. Friends, now pause your TV and question your family members or friends about their necessity of the action or about your necessity of the action in negative mode. Practice more. Daily at least use 1 hour, 1.5 hour to practice English. Friends, learn now information question in positive mode. Friends, I am saying you always just add question word to yes or no questions here. That is yes or no question formula. Now question word is added. Now it is information question formula. Always keep in my memory. First use your question word, then should, then subject, then present verb, then an object, then a question mark. For example, when should you get up daily?
I should get up daily at 6 o'clock.
When should you get up daily? Next question. Whom should you meet today?
Nobody.
Whom should you meet today? How often should we brush our teeth daily?
We should brush at daily twice a day.
Twice a day. According to your opinion, how often should we brush daily? Okay. Next question. How long should we sleep at least in a day?
We should sleep at 6 or 7.
At least
At least 6 or
6
7.
hours.
6
In your opinion? Why should I teach this?
to become famous.
To become famous?
Yes.
Okay. What should you work today?
I think.
Your studying is also working.
Yes. I should prepare for
CET.
CET exam.
Okay, friends. What should you work today? Friends, now pause your TV and question your family members or friends what they should do or ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. Question to your family members and ask many questions for practice. If you ask many questions, you will learn so much. If you ask only few questions, you will learn only little bit. So ask many questions. Friends, learn now positive information question using question word who. Friends, whenever you use who, don't use your subject, just use who plus should, then present verb, then object, then a question mark. For example, who should work in your family?
Everybody should work.
Everybody should work. Who should work in your family means ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next question. Who should meet a doctor today in your family?
Nobody should not meet.
Nobody should meet.
Nobody should.
Meet. Nobody should meet.
Nobody should meet.
Who should develop the country?
All should
Develop the country.
develop.
Every Indian should develop the country. Learn now. Negative information question using question word who. See friends, this is positive information question formula. Just add here not. Not. Who should not, then present verb, then object, then question mark. For example, who should not betray our country?
Every Indian should not betray our country.
What do you say? Next example. Who should not drink unboiled water here?
You should not drink unboiled water.
Who should not smoke?
I should not smoke. You should not smoke. He should not smoke.
Okay. What do you say? Who should not smoke? Friends, learn now. Negative information question using question word why. First use your why, then use your should, then use your subject. When you use why, you can use your subject. After that, use your not to make negative question. Then use your present verb, then object, then a question mark. For example, why should I not drink unboiled water?
Because you have cold.
Cold. Okay. Why should we not pollute nature?
If you pollute the nature, you get diseases.
Next question. Why should we not smoke?
Smoking is injurious to health.
What do you say? Why should we not smoke? Okay friends, now pause your TV and ask many questions to your friends or your family members or your spoken English class teammates and practice more. At least spend one and a half an hour daily and watch English news or read English newspaper daily. Otherwise read English story books or jokes book, and always think in English and speak in English. Please don't go only on watching TV. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಡಿ, ದಿನಂಪ್ರತಿ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೋಂಥದ್ದು. Friends, learn today about ought to. Ought to is equal to should. Ought to is also used to give advice and to put gentle pressure on somebody to do some actions. Should is like ಬೇಕು and ought to is like ಬೇಕು only. Learn now positive sentence. First use your subject, then use your ought to, then use your present of, then object. For example, I am advising, we ought to love our parents means ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆತ್ತವರನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಸಬೇಕು. We ought to help other, ನಾವು ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You ought to practice English daily. My children ought